Hello. Pedestrians are the most vulnerable road users and account for 27% of the total deaths in road accidents. Most of these accidents occur in urban and non-intersection crossings. Failure to detect the pedestrians and their intention to cross the road is the main cause of accidents by human drivers and autonomous vehicles. If we can detect the pedestrian intention to cross the road at the earliest, it can help to avoid such fatal accidents. I am Upendra, along with my co-author Ankur. We discuss our approach on estimating pedestrian intention.
I'm going to explain about the proposed approach. So we define the problem of pedestrian intention estimation as a binary classification task, the two classes being crossing and not crossing. We leverage different sources of input information in our approach. These include bounding boxes with surrounding context, pose with surrounding context, and bounding box coordinates. These different inputs are then concatenated before passing them to our classification network, which is a 3D ResNet. The 3D ResNet finally outputs a crossing, not crossing prediction. Moving on to observations and results. So from the results, we observe that increasing the number of modalities almost always improves the results. This is probably because using multiple input sources allows the network to learn better discriminative features. The proposed method shows that using pose along with other input information can boost the accuracy to more than 84%. We also outperform prior state-of-the-art techniques on pedestrian intention estimation.
Here are some sample videos of the proposed algorithm. We indicate a green bounding box when the person is not crossing. As soon as he starts to cross, the algorithm detects the intention to cross and we mark it in the red bounding box.